જો લીક જે હતી એમને અહીંયા જોઈ છે, આઈ ડોન્ટ નો, હમણાં આ ટાઈમે જોઈ છે. આટલું આ કટ કરશે ને પછી કંઈક પીસ પેક મૂકશે. આ શું બોલે છે બહુ ખબર પડતી નહીં. મેં કીધું કરો કટ, વાંધો નહીં, ગાડી આવી જશે પછી દેખા જાયગા બીજું.
No, ese es lo que. No, tiene muy más grande.
Bueno, dentro de un
Sí.
chica se este pequeño.
Es too big. Wash it up like that. Muy grande. Too big. This is very. It's a 2 inch.
So this is a new one, right?
It's new valve, yeah.
And this is good?
Yeah, this is the set force. You want to go for the set force or leave it on?
Whatever is good. And on the first day, they changed the valve. They says they have another leak, so they cannot close it. They have to come tomorrow. I can see the water running from here. I don't know where is another leak. I can see the water. So આજે બીજા દિવસે આવવાના છે. પાણી ફૂલ ભરાઈ ગયું છે અહીંયા આગળ. Let's go there now. ચાલો. So it's around 12 p.m. and they told me to turn off the water. I did, and you can see little water coming. એના કે દીદી સવારે એનામાં કંઈક પાણી પડતું હતું અહીંયા ટચ કર્યો એટલે આ કંઈક થાય છે. ઓકે, આ પાણી આવવાનું હતું. અહીંયાથી પાણી ટપકે છે કંઈકથી. એટલે આ ફોર્સમાં આવે છે એના કારણે ટપકે છે પાણી. એનો ફોર્સ ઘટાડવો પડશે. Today is Wednesday and third day for them to work here. Still water is flowing. So from here they have connected the pipe to here.
And how about this one?
This is the blue pipe all connect that side.
So he said 2 leaks. So this is the one. Where's the other one?
એટલે એને એવું કેવું છે કે અહીંયાથી ત્યાં સુધી નવી પાઇપ નાખી એને.
So 3 leaks. The one is over here, 8 feet.
ખબર પડી? અહીંયાથી ત્યાં નાખી આખી પાઇપ ત્યાં કાઢી છે.
The pipe runs underneath that big rock, the one we were cutting.
Okay. And how about the other pipe? You just gonna close that area?
Which one? The other one is, we just use like a sleeve on.
The other one you're gonna
The
close?
sleeve on એટલે ખાલી કવર કરશે.
Okay.
So even this black has a blue pipe inside or no?
No, no.
So that's a whole big pipe, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Two holes.
Okay.
You're
So
not gonna notice no difference between the pressure and like
No.
volume and anything like that. Just,
okay, because this is a small pipe, so
no, it's not.
No.
It's just because it's just a little small
okay.
run.
So what was the reason for hole?
See the rock over the car, that's why the reason why they put they bury the pipe with the big rocks.
So now it's going to be, I mean,
They can be okay because you see the black pipe right now we're using like a sleeve,
okay.
and we're using like a sleeve. Now the one on the inside is the one that carrying the water, not
Okay.
the one outside.
Okay.
So
Now the whatever rock, whatever is hitting is hitting the black pipe and not the blue pipe.
Okay.
and my concern is like the blue pipe, how far you extended?
Here, yeah.
And then you lock like this?
Yeah, it's something like that. It's the same connection here or that one.
Okay.
તો આટલી જાડી પાઇપ હોય રાઈટ તો આટલી લીક કેવી રીતે થાય પછી જાડી લાઈક
Don't give us any pressure.
meter counting meter here.
Right.
પાછળનો નંબર છે પેલા constant run થતો તો stop.
You see the number 68, the last two numbers.
It's still running up.
This is 67, 68. Go
आगे जाके पाछे जाए.
one up, one
આગળ
down.
જાય.
It's coming back since 0. Again 68. No running the mirror. The water is stopped. It's coming back in 0. 0. 68 again.
Yeah.
So can we read this in mobile or no? This is a Wi-Fi or anything or no?
No.
Then it's 69.
Yeah.
Then it's 0. It's not.
Yeah, there's no running the water. The water is stopped.
So from here outside is a government problem, right? I mean, from here inside.
For the house?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Now it's good. Yeah, the 68. 67.
So 67 is more water or 69 is a more water?
The 69, she go to, sometimes she go to 2-3 numbers up. 69, 72, 75, you know. This is
for sewer, right? So
Yeah,
this is
now-
water coming inside or going?
No, this is the water not running now.
Water coming
This is stop.
inside.
Okay, so where is the water going
Yeah.
from?
Water going from our sewer line. This is not the sewer line, I think. Where is the water going out? They
This
made
is coming, right? This is
Yeah,
water coming.
yeah. This the water is coming. Yeah. Everything
Okay.
is good now. You see, 68, 67, 68, 67. No running the water now. Now I gotta open it.
The portion they work on is broke. I don't know how it get broke. I can see the water inside here, so that's another worrying. Water is just need to fix properly. This portion is good. Somewhere they dig it here, but it's on other side, so that's good.